Hello my good people, welcome to this channel. My name is Mamba and this is Konza City, also known as Konza TECHNOPOLIS. Let's go and see what has been done on Konza City. What is Konza City? Konza City is a smart city, technology hub, and envisioned to be Kenya's Silicon Savannah. And this is the progress of Konza City. Konza City is located 65 kilometers away from Nairobi. This city is being constructed across 3 counties, Machakos, Makueni, and Kajiado. What is the total construction cost of Konza City? The total construction cost of Konza City is projected to be 1.4 trillion Kenya shillings. Konza City covers 5,000 acres of land and is managed by Konza TECHNOPOLIS Development Authority. This is Konza City construction progress. You can see apartments has already been constructed and furnished in this city. You can see for yourself. Look at this. You can observe keenly. This is a city in another city. I mean, Konza City is in Kenya. You can see for yourself. You can see the roads how the way they are. You can see everything clearly. This project was allocated by then President Mwai Kibaki in 2013, and the construction started officially in 2018. I want to take you inside this building. You see what has been done so far. This is the corporate office of Konza TECHNOPOLIS Development Authority. This is the corporate office of Konza TECHNOPOLIS Development Authority. You can see inside. You can see for yourself. You can see clearly what they have done so far. This will be a game changer for the Kenyans. You can see what they have done. This is Konza City, constructed 65 kilometers away from Nairobi, across 3 counties, Machakos, Makueni, and Kajiado. And the total construction cost is projected to be 1.4 trillion Kenya shillings. You can see their office. This is the office of Konza TECHNOPOLIS Development Authority. You can see for yourself. This is part of Vision 2030. You can see Silicon Savannah, a city in another city. Let's continue to see the progress of Konza TECHNOPOLIS. In 2024, Kenya signed $284.1 million US financing agreement with South Korea to build digital media city at Konza, and this is the progress of that construction. You can see phase 1 of Konza City construction is going to consume 50.4 billion Kenya shillings. You can see in this city there is going to be a university, the Open University of Kenya, or UK. There will be also the Kenya Advanced Institute of Science and Technology. You can see these buildings that has already been constructed. You can observe keenly. As said, this city as university, and the Kenya Advanced Institute of Science and Technology is also being developed. You can observe the buildings, the apartments, everything. This is Konza City construction progress. Let's keep enjoy the video. We see what has been done, what is new and unique with this city.